Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Part-Time IT Investor. So let's quickly start with our market analysis. So market guys फ्राइडे को जैसे हमने एक्सपेक्ट किया था वैसे ही बिहेव किया रेंज बाउंड एंड देन टुवर्ड्स बियर कंट्रोल. ओके, सो आपने अगर मेरा एक लाइव मार्केट वीडियो अगर देखा नहीं होगा गाइज आपने, so I think this is our live market video which I have posted over here. Please do check this out. Okay, जैसे हमने फ्राइडे को डिस्कस किया था कि शॉर्ट ट्रायंगल बना के हम कैसे प्रॉफिट कर सकते हैं स्टेप बाय स्टेप. ओके, स्टेप बाय स्टेप मैंने यहाँ पे रिकॉर्ड किया वीडियो एंड हाउ यूजिंग दैट आई मेड अ प्रॉफिट ऑफ अराउंड 2K. Okay, on intraday basis. Okay, that I have explained in detail. What is the psychology behind taking trade? What are the ifs and buts? What are the caution that I have tried to explain in this 3 minutes video? Okay, so please do check out this video and let me know in comments for any questions. Okay, okay. So हम लोग अभी चालू करते हैं हमारा एनालिसिस. ओके, सो जैसे आप देख सकते हो गाइस थंबनेल से. ओके, बेस्ड अपॉन फ्राइडे क्लोजिंग. ओके, ये कंफर्म हो गया कि निफ्टी बियर कंट्रोल में ही है. ओके, क्या रिवर्सल पॉसिबल है क्योंकि जीएसटी. ओके, देन जीडीपी डाटा. ओके, some and then China visit. Some of the good news are there. Then Trump tariff being illegal. Okay, by court, illegal, decided by court in US. Okay, so काफी ज्यादा गुड न्यूज भी है मार्केट में गाइस. ओके, लेकिन all this good news can be overshadowed by only one negative news, which is INR crashing. Okay, it's breaking its critical support level of 88 rupees. Okay, so how it will be impact your market, that we will cover in our video today. Okay, it's a very important video guys. आज अगर आपने आज के वीडियो अच्छे से देख लिया समझ लिया, if you understand today's video, you might be able to take a wise decision in order to protect your portfolio and also make some profit in the progress. Okay, let's start with the uh, top gainer and loser on Friday. So top gainer was ITC. Okay, which I don't actually believe, because if GST Council will impose 40% duty on sin good, which is cigarette, ITC I'm expecting to crash. Okay, so this can be short covering rally. Then Bharat Electronics, Shriram Finance, Asian Paints, Trends. So I think consumer related, I think stocks, I think we can see some of the positive closing a positive note, but not much of it. But on the contrary side, a negative news if you see. So top loser were M&M. Okay, which is strange because 18% GST bracket if it comes, then M&M should get benefited from that. So I think ये market में retail investor को फंसा के लिए किया जा रहा है I think. So people are getting trapped for this stock. I will study this stock and I think if it's a good buy, then I think I will add into my swing trading strategy for M&M. Okay, so that's the plan. And another big negative news is on Reliance front, which I will cover in my next slide. Then Infosys and okay, so Infosys, I think the again the same thing, since INR is crashing, so IT, okay, IT companies will start benefiting from that. Okay, and the one of the biggest uh, beneficiary factor for the Infosys will be the dollar revenue. Okay, so again, I think if INR is at a good level, I might enter in the Infosys as well. But I think in swing trading, I have already entered TCS, so I will not make much of a big position for the Infosys as well. And then Apollo Hospital, I think it's a profit booking. Adani Enterprise, I don't know. I need to check. I think rest are not, I think, particular segment specific. But outlier will be M&M, Reliance, and Infosys, which I can see in the top losing stocks. Okay. Okay. Now let's start with the news. Okay. What were the factor which were pulling our market down? Okay. So first is rupee crash to fresh all-time low. So as you can see from news, rupee touch all-time low of 88.3, okay, per dollar, and which was further supported by Reserve Bank of India, okay, so that it will not further fall down. So that is a very critical point, guys, over here because uh, what will happen, guys? Our Nifty, if you see our Nifty has not performed very well for whole 1 year. Okay, so FIIs who have invested, they are not earning anything for 1 year, and over and above that, if rupee is crashing, okay, they will end up earning negative returns on their investment. Okay, so that will be the driving factor, can be a black swan event. Okay, that can be a black swan event. Okay, if our rupee again don't retrace back to around 85 rupees or 86 rupees. Okay, this is really not good news for us because currently we don't have any good news running in or good strategy running in at the nation level which will attract FIIs. Okay, so they will continue to start pulling out the money considering all the tariff and geopolitical situation. So if by chance it touches 90, then that day we can say that our market will see a steep downfall. Okay. So in order to save from this, I think I will create a strategy for hedging my portfolio, stock portfolio. Okay. So I think for that, I think I will create a video maybe tomorrow on this part. Okay. So stay tuned for that as well. So this is a big red candle for me. Okay. And accordingly, I will maintain my bearish position. So basically, sell on rise. Okay. All right. Now, the next big negative news is Jio IPO. So you will say आप बोलेंगे यार Jio IPO आ रहा है तो अच्छी बात है, right? So if the IPO is coming for Jio, it's a very good thing because only two big players are there in telecom industry, which is Airtel and Jio. Okay, but okay. So what happens, guys? Since Reliance being an biggest company via in terms of market capitalization on Nifty 50, so investors were expecting that we might be getting a free Geo share. Okay, since we are holding Reliance. Okay, so over that, I think Mr. Mukesh Ambani has said that there will not be any free share or any benefit for the shareholder of RIL, as you can see over here. Okay, but in order to unlock the true potential of Geo, they will bring in an IPO. Okay, so which will make sense as well, guys. हमको फ्री में शेयर क्यों ही देंगे मोटा भाई क्यों he's a very good businessman, right? He will try to unlock the full potential of the company, and I think at the company level bringing the IPO for Geo, that is the best thing which can be done. But there are ways through which I think Reliance Industry will get profit by this IPO because all the investment which is done by Reliance, which is parent company, so gains which will be received from IPO will be sent back to RIL to balance of the balance sheet. Okay, so based upon that you saw, okay, we already checked over here that Reliance again crashed 2%. Okay, so I think now it is a good time to add more stock for Reliance, at least for me. So just a disclaimer, guys, I'm not a sebi analyst, so I'm just sharing my plan, what I'm planning to do on my personal investment journey. So please do check with your investment advisor for any purchasing of stocks and option strategies. Okay, for me, I think it is a good chance for me to top up on drill as of now. Okay, even though it's a negative news because we have many good things which is on horizon, but let's see how things will go. Okay, now let's go ahead and quickly check. Okay, options. Okay, oh, let me. Okay, so we are here at the option data. Okay, open interest. So you can see we have a strong resistance at 24,500 over here, and at the support level, okay, I see the support level. So support level around we can say 24,400. Okay, but I will not go ahead with the support level. For me, the big support level will be 24,200. Okay, so but another thing which we need to look out for is PCR is 0.54%. Okay, so what will happen, guys? They can try to trap the retail investor, okay, by doing a short covering. Okay, so short covering will be around 24,450 or 500, which can go as high as 24,550. Okay, so around 24,550 if short covering goes. From there, it will be a good margin for big institutional investor to sell again for 24,200. Okay, so accordingly, I will be maintaining my strategy. Okay, of bear counter, which we'll discuss in next slide. Okay, so word of caution. Now let's go ahead and quickly check what is the FI data. Okay, we are here at FI data. So as you can see, guys, okay, so FI has sold almost 8,300 crore and DI has bought 11,500 crore. So there's a continuous selling, okay, for the whole August month, as you can see, and you will expect the same to happen in September till the rate cut, okay, till the rate cut by US, as well as reduction in tariff, okay. So tariff is also a key factor over here. All right. So now if I see the future, in future also they are bearish. Go to option. So they are bearish. If you see the guys, the position difference over here, minus 29,144. Okay, bearish side position and open interchange versus minus 10,000. So any opportunity which we'll get tomorrow will get sold off. Okay, we might see 24,170 to 24,200 tomorrow itself. Okay, because INR has crashed, guys, and that will be having a huge impact. Okay, fair enough. Now let's go ahead and check. Okay, our chart. Okay, so we are here on TradingView terminal for Nifty chart. So as we can see, guys, over here, market remains range bound. Okay, and in the last half an hour it broke this lower level. Okay, so based upon the analysis I created a short straddle, sorry, short strangle, and based upon that I also booked profit around 2k to 1,800 rupees. Okay, and that was a good trade as well and good strategy as well. But for tomorrow I think market can remain very volatile. It can be purely bearish as well, since we also have a change in Nifty option expiry for weekly. So Nifty option expiry will be on 2nd September for this week. Okay. So instead of Thursday, every Tuesday, okay, we will be having Nifty expiry, guys. Okay. So please plan your trade accordingly. Okay. Now, so what I'm expecting. So as you can see, okay, मैं expect क्या कर रहा हूँ that we have already created this level almost in month of June, which is 24,200 to 23,800. Okay, so for me I'm expecting that market will try to reach this level, which is 24,550. Okay, from here we can further expect the downside to 24,200. Okay, so for me good strategy will be, okay, the moment market come to around 24,500, okay, 500 or 550, okay, I will create a bear iron condor. So bear iron condor will be like this. So in case market goes above, okay, continue to go above, I will make some minor profit of 1.2% or 1% over here. But if further continue to fall down, I will try to get a more profit of around 4% to 5%. Okay, this will be my strategy. Okay, which I will punch in. So if you are not seen how to put a conditional order, guys, okay, so please do check that out in this video. Okay, so as you can see over here, you can find this intraday shorts triangle option strategy. In that, I have clearly mentioned step by step how to put a conditional order. Okay, so let's go back to channel trading view as well. So once market will reach around 24,500 to 550, my conditional order for bear condor will get triggered. Okay, so that will be my plan, guys, for tomorrow. Okay, so I will also create a bear condor, okay, for my whole portfolio, but I think it will be a modified one so that I need to compensate for the lot versus how much money I have invested. So that I think a study I need to do, but I think we need to be very cautious, guys, due to INR. Okay, so along with this strategy of iron condor, I will be also testing some of my other strategy of option buying, which I will not be discussing yet because data needs to be proven in the market. Then only I will ensure that it will come on the YouTube channel. So first, guys, if you can see, I have already made profit in Nifty Bs as well. That strategy is still under testing. Okay, so far in the first week, I have made profit around maybe I think 2,000 or 3,000 rupees. Okay, with very less capital. So I think I will do it for another week or so, and I will again further backtest it, further refine it, and then I will share it on the YouTube video. Okay, so please stay tuned to our channel for the more updates like that. All right. So I think let's go ahead and quickly see how the global market is performing. Okay. All right. Okay. So we are here. So we can see Gift Nifty is having a positive opening. I will not fall for it. Okay. Then SA Bank area holding stable. Excuse me, guys. Then INR is 88.174 if you see, guys. Okay. Suddenly this spike which happened. So in the similar line, we can expect a spike downward side for 24,000. Okay, for Nifty as well. So that is my fear, and accordingly, I will plan my strategy. Okay, so then let's see, HDFC ADR is slightly positive. Infosys ADR is negative. So guys, it seems to be all trapping move, guys. Okay, I don't believe this. Then dollar index that is 7.6 is okay, fine. Bitcoin is trading positive. Okay, all right. So let's see, guys. How? Let me see gold as well, guys. Gold, where is gold? Okay, gold is also trading positive. So overall, if I see, guys, okay, it's not a good day tomorrow. Okay, to be bullish. Okay, for sure. I can expect short covering if PCR, okay, goes to zero point 0.5 or 0.48. Okay, but it's too much of a risk to go for bullish. Okay, so rather I will wait for market to go up, okay, to around maybe 550, 600, and then maintain the sell position. All right, so I think that's it from my side, guys, for today. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. This will help us to create a educational content which will help you in your investment and trading journey of DIY. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good night. See you tomorrow.